Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to make and manage calls on your Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro. So this is gonna be useful if you want to stay connected without taking out your phone. So first of all, let's check how do we make calls from this watch. First of all, activate this watch by pressing on the crown and press it once again to find your call log and contacts. So press on the contact, here you'll get a list of your contacts, simply press on the contact and your watch will automatically make a call, or you can continue with making a call from your call log. Also, make sure that you've got your notifications enabled in your Huawei Health application. And that's it. So now let's talk about incoming calls. When a call comes in, your watch will vibrate and display the caller's name or just the phone number. So to accept the call, tap on the green icon. To reject, tap on the red icon. Let's press accept, right? So here you can rotate the crown to adjust the volume, just like this. And to end the call, simply press on the red icon and your call would be ended. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.